In this video, we'll show you how to install a multiple T-glass globe pendant light. Along with all parts of the light fixture, you need an Allen key, a screwdriver, and a plier. Before installation, cut the power. Step 1. Assemble the cluster body. Loosen set screws and insert the light rod into the cluster body, fixing back the set screws. Step 2. Screw in light bulb. Step 3. Install the glass shade. Loosen the fixing nut and insert mounting gasket into glass shade. Put on the cover plate and screw back the fixing nut. Step 4. Connect the cluster body to canopy. Screw the short central rod into the long one. Feed the main wire and screw the central rod into cluster body. Insert the main wire and screw the central rod into the canopy, fixing the nut. Step 5. Fix the mounting strap and connect wires to wires in ceiling. Step 6. Attach the canopy to the mounting strap, fixed with screws. That's it. Turn on the power and test. For more information about Homori and our products, please visit our website.